Hello everyone, in my previous video we learned how to use if function with single condition. But what if there are multiple number of conditions we need to follow? For that we can use if function with and function. So now to explain you this, I am going to use this same data table again showing weekly sales achieved by different salesperson. Now my company has asked me to make a list of salesperson who are eligible for bonus in this month and has given me these two conditions to find out the same. First condition is that the monthly sales achieved by the salesperson should be greater than monthly goal set by the company. And the second condition they have given me is that the sales per week by the salesperson should be greater than 8,000. Now with the help of if and function, let us find out how to do it. For that we have to type equals to if tab. Now I have to type here two conditions, but to merge those two conditions I will use and function. So tab and tab. Now with the help of and function you can type n number of conditions as per your requirement. So here my first condition is that the sales achieved by salesperson should be greater than equal to the target set by the company. Press F4 to make this cell constant, comma. Now I will type here second condition. So my second condition is that sales done by Rachel in week 1 should be greater than 8,000, comma. Sales done in week 2 should be greater than 8,000, and you can go on type for week 3 and week 4, or else we can use here another function as well, which I am using here, minimum. So type min tab, select this range of sales. So now what this function will do, it will find out the minimum value from this given range. And now I will give here condition as the minimum value from this given range should be greater than 8,000. Bracket close, comma. If this both conditions are true, then it will show bonus as an answer, comma. And if this both conditions are not true, then it will show no bonus. Bracket close, enter. Now let's copy it for all salesperson. Now you can see that Emma has achieved weekly target as well and monthly target as well, and she is eligible for bonus. Whereas you can see in case of Richard that he has achieved monthly goal but not weekly target, hence he is not eligible for bonus. So this was in today's video of how to use if function with multiple conditions. Thank you.